The smart keyboard for the 10.5-inch iPad Pro has been upgraded from the one available for the 9.7-inch model, with more keys on offer but the same cloth-like covering and lower travel key press. It takes some getting used to, but most people trying out this keyboard will get up to speed in no time at all. After a day or two we barely noticed any loss in typing speed whatsoever, although there was some drop in accuracy, thanks to the keys not being as easy to identify under the digits. It's a shame Apple hasn't made an all-in-one protective case for the iPad Pro range, choosing to go with the single side cover the keyboard offers. We've been using the Logitech Create keyboard cover on the older iPad Pro 12.9, which is tough and has backlit keys with long travel. That's the kind of thing we'd love to see Apple offer, but it seems locked to the smart keyboard for now. At least on the 10.5-inch iPad Pro the keyboard has the full gamut of keys. The modified shape of the chassis could have meant fewer were on offer, but they're all present and correct. Sitting the iPad Pro on one's lap with the smart keyboard attached is a decent experience. There's a sense it's going to topple over, but actually we never had an issue with it flipping over our knees, and sat on a desk it's at a perfect angle for typing. The smart keyboard comes in at an additional $159, £159, 235 Australian dollars, which seems rather steep for an add-on that many other tablet manufacturers are offering in the box. The iPad Pro really does need this accessory to make it useful for professionals, and it adds a premium to the already high price.